Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta and today we will understand how to create area chart in Power BI. So in my previous videos, we have discussed this different types of charts. Now I want to create the area chart. So I will go on page 2, activate the area chart. So first of all, we will select category in x-axis, then in y-axis, sales, activate the focus mode. On secondary y-axis, we can also pick up the profit, and in small multiples, the regions can be selected. So now we are having four charts: central, east, south, and west. Now, if you want to introduce one more categorical variable, let's say segment, I'll drop it into the x-axis. So if x-axis is having more than two variables, automatically this drill up and drill down will get activated. So just press the up arrow. So this chart is according to the category. Now click for the next level. So this is according to the segment. Drill up, drill down. And if you want that the chart displays all the hierarchies, just click on it and it will display all the hierarchies. Now I want to transfer this segment into the legend. So we will have to remove the sum of profit from here, then pick up the segment and drop it into the legend. So you can see now that the chart gives the information. You hover your mouse on each area and you'll get a different information. So this is your central region. The next thing which we can do is, if I require more information here, then I'll pick up the profit and drop it on the tooltip. Yes, it displays the profit as well as the sales. Now click on format your visual, x-axis. I can increase or decrease the values from here. See, furniture, office supplies. I can change the color. If I want to specify any title, I'll write down the title and it will be displayed on the x-axis. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous video to understand the flow of these tutorials. So we don't want the title, activate the y-axis. So it is related to this 0K, 50K and 100K. The minimum and maximum range is specified. But if I change it, see what happens. Do you want to invert the range? Shared y-axis is on. If you off it, the numbers will appear here also in the center. Now click on values. They are in black color. You can make it blue color. Display unit is in thousands. You can make it in millions if you want, or keep it thousands. Switch axis position. Do we require any title? If yes, then specify the title here and it will be displayed on y-axis. We don't have anything on secondary y-axis, so keep it off. Let's talk about the legend. This one. The position is top left. You can make it bottom center. And the legends are indicated by circles. So what are the options available? You can have a line also. So keep it default only. Text is of black color. You can change it and you can make it uh, red color text. Title. So it is segment, write down segment wise, small multiples. So here the chart is in 2 by 2 matrix. I can make it 3 by 3 or 1 by 3. By increasing the padding values, the white portion in the charts will increase. Now let's talk about the border. This one, it's having a solid line. Do you require on all the sides? Yes, all the sides. Solid border. Color is black. The colors can be selected from here. Line width, title. It is at top. Uh, its color can also be changed. This one, central, east, south, west. Bring it in the center. Background. So the background, we will select the light background, and yeah, this is good. Grid lines. The dotted green lines are there. We don't require the grid lines. We'll remove it. Lines. The color of the lines is there. This lines. So it's a solid line. You can have a dotted line. It's solid only. Colors can be selected. So let's change one color and you'll be able to understand. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to the default settings, just press it and it is reset to default. So let's activate the shade area. So you can increase or decrease the transparency, as well as you can change the colors also from here that we have seen. Spacing, markers, activate the markers. So the round markers are used. We can change it and we can make it square. Colors of these markers can also be changed. Let's keep it black. Data labels, do we require? On it, and the data labels will appear. Position of this data labels, above or under. How much offsetting is to be done? Maximum label offsetting. Values. So we can change the color of this. Let's take it yellow color. The display unit is in thousands. We can make it in millions, billions. Value decimals, 1 decimal, 2 decimal. Background. Do we require the background for this? So let's pick up the white color. Decrease the transparency. So this is for the background. This background is for values. We don't want it. Okay, series label. On it. So this is your series label. Consumer. On. Or all. Maximum width. Series position you want on left side or right side, that can also be done. Now its values, you can change the color of this series label. Background can also be activated. So let's on it, and background we will pick up the pink color, and the transparency will reduce it. Fine. Plot the area background. I can also import the image file from here. Open. That's also possible. So this was a visual format. Now we will go in general, properties, back to the report. The height, the width can be changed. Height and width can be changed. Position. So if I change this, the chart will move towards the right hand side. If I change this number, it will be moving down. Padding. So it will increase the white portion in this chart. So see, internally the chart is moving on right hand side, and this will move, the chart will move on left hand side. If I increase this number, the chart will be moving down and this will be moving up. Okay, so advanced options, make sure responsive is on. Title, so it's written sum of sales and sum of profit. Let's make it sales and profit. Done. The color can be changed. Do we require the background for it? Yes, we will require the background. So we'll select this background. Horizontal alignment in the center. If the title is big, make sure that the text wrapping is on. Subtitle. If you want to specify subtitle, then on it and write down the subtitle. Now comes the divider. This divider. So on it, it's a black color divider, solid line. The options available are dotted. You can increase its width, spacing. So by increasing this vertical spacing, the space between the title and the chart will increase. See this, it's increasing. Effects, color. So decrease the transparency. Visual border. So this is the black color border. Do I require the rounded corners? Yes, I require the rounded corners. Shadow on it, and pink color shadow, outside or inside. We want outside, and bottom right. Done. So these are the options available. Header icons. So this is if I want to change the color of this header icons. Color, border, and icon. So I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous video to understand the flow of this tutorials. I have already discussed about this icons there. Make sure in icons everything is on. Now activate the focus mode. Now click on these three dots, export the data. So you can export the data in CSV format. Show as table. You can change the layout. Sorting can be done. Sort small multiples according to the region. So all these options are available. So sum of sales, ascending or descending, sum of profit, ascending or descending, sort axis, category, sort legend, according to the segment, ascending or descending. So this was all about the area chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.